This is the Hello World Podcast. How important are the following factors in the success of an organization's digital learning transformation? We can mention three factors. There would be leaders and decision makers. There's also people in culture, and there's also tools and
Yeah, I think,
processes.
Louis, they're all very important. Right? Because it's not just about the technology itself, but it's an entire gamut of things to be able to implement digital learning successfully, right? But uh, in my experience, having gone through several implementation projects for digital learning, I could say that there are actually 6 elements. And the thing and just earlier fall
Go
under
ahead.
those 6 important elements, right? So there's, I think the most important, Louis, if you will ask me, is mindset, right? A lot of practitioners reach out to me via Facebook, via LinkedIn, and people would always ask about where do we start? What elements do we get? Parang nakadiretso sa technology. But really, the most important thing for me when you're planning to, implement digital learning is really the mindset, of everyone in the organization, and most importantly, the mindset of your leaders. The leaders who will make the decisions. Sila yung mag-a-approve, di ba, Louie? Sila yung mag-a-approve ng budget. Therefore, the mindset of the leaders is really, really the key and implementing it, and they have to be able to support that entire initiative end to end, not just in signing the forms, the contracts, etc., but they have to be present in the entire process of implementing the digital learning. Of course,
If I may, Marby, if I may, you mentioned the mindset, even starting at the level of decision makers. Does that
yes.
also explain why in the Philippines there's not much effort done in the past or pre-COVID on learning and technology? And I'm sure that with your exposure in global companies, most of them have it, but here locally,
Yes.
you don't see it often. Do you see a relationship with that?
Yes, definitely, Louis. Yeah, like what you mentioned, usually if it's a multinational organization, big organization, well accepted yung concept ng digital learning, right? Because there's, cost efficiency that's aligned to it. However, in the Philippines, I think it's also driven by our culture. Diba? If we may relate it, Louis, to Hofstede's cultural dimensions, diba?
Yeah.
The time or long-term orientation, right? Philippines is low in terms of long-term orientation, which essentially means na we kind of think about now, what's current. We kind of hindi naman sa hindi iniisip, no? But we have less focus on what's gonna happen in the future. Therefore, if we apply it to the context of digital learning, classroom training has been working, right? It's been working for all of us. And since we have that mentality, we have that mindset na it's working naman now, right? Why do we have to change? Why do we have to have significant investments in technology if classroom training is working? Right? Meron tayong mindset na why fix something that's broken.
Hi everyone, this is Louis Banta, CEO and Chief Trainer of LJMB, or Learning Just Made Better. Thanks for watching my video. To get more videos like this, click subscribe and hit the bell icon below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and share this video to others.